The Johnson rifle is an interesting weapon in Battlefield 5, or it would have been was it added earlier in the life cycle. Being the last assault weapon added to the game, it perhaps came too late to gain any noticeable popularity amongst players, and I rarely see anyone using it. So, as I'm quite frankly bored of most of the weapons in Battlefield 5, I decided to give it a go and see what it's like. On paper, the Johnson rifle doesn't look half bad, as it's got a 10-round magazine, reloaded by stripper clips, and manageable recoil. You might say that 10 rounds is too small, but the Gewehr 43 has the same amount of bullets, and I personally, as well as many other players, consider it the best DMR in the game. The only downside that I noticed immediately is that the Johnson rifle has a 3-shot kill potential only up to a few dozen meters, and then it drops to 4-shot kill, whereas the Gewehr 43 has a consistent 3-shot kill no matter the distance. However, when you look at all the available assault weapons in Battlefield 5, it becomes apparent why the Johnson is just not as popular. There are so many weapons more suitable for any specific range that this rifle just becomes a cool gimmick for people who want to try something a bit different. Sure, it can kill, but why do you need the Johnson when you have the aforementioned Gewehr for medium and long range, Turner SMLE for a much higher bullet capacity and which is more accurate, or even the Gewehr 1.5, which might have a sharper damage drop-off, but it has a hefty magazine capacity of 30 bullets to compensate for that. Overall, I think that the Johnson, just as many other weapons in Battlefield 5, suffers from being too bland and generic, not fitting in any niche, just being an average DMR weapon, albeit with a cool look and a reload animation. I really hope that DICE will add more weapon originality to Battlefield 2042, so that every weapon has its place in the right situation. By the way guys, I'm planning to cover the 2042 beta extensively with guides, weapon comparisons and gameplay commentary. I would really appreciate if you like this video and subscribe to the channel. I'm an old Battlefield fan and really looking forward to making a lot of content about this wonderful franchise in the future. I will leave you with some more gameplay with the Johnson I recorded today. Cheers!
Take this! Dodge this! Just a moment. Explosives ready here!
Take a look over there!
Charges are set!